So 1 teaspoon of oil, 80 calories. So
That's 80 calories.
80 calories. People don't understand. 80 calories? 80 calories.
Just trying to think to myself, if I make a salad, it's like 1, 2,
2,
maybe 3. That's
yep.
240 calories. Welcome to another edition of Vince's at Home. I'm in the kitchen with Lisa Jacobs.
Hello?
You tell me that you meal prep.
So I started meal prepping because I started competing as a bodybuilder.
Okay.
And so I had a coach. I was living in New Orleans and I had a coach. He made me a meal plan. He goes, I want you to come to my house and I want you to see how I meal prep. And I remember thinking, no problem.
Yeah.
And then I remember getting there and I was like, oh, okay,
this is
this
something.
is what you mean.
Okay.
You know, because when you are prepared, you're not gonna fail. And it's all about being consistent. For me, routine is important. You know that. So
yes. So meal prepping for you is part science, and then also it's got to be part what you like. How much of it is the counting of calories or the portioning control?
it's the most important thing. The best thing and the best way to start is to get a log. Anything that you eat, even like a piece of gum, track it and see how many calories you're eating.
So when I see all these sauces, this is all about hitting some foods that typically don't have that flavor profile
Right.
that satisfies.
Yep.
Because there's only so many ways you can cook chicken.
This is my go-to. I love this. Southern style barbecue. It has nothing, literally no calories in it.
Yep, love
and
it.
it's delicious. Walden Farms that have 0 calories.
Yep.
Here at Vince's we carry salad dressings.
Yep.
And then there's a really good alternative for a pancake syrup. And then we've got other condiments like Die Slow. This is like a no sugar added. 3 grams of sugar, but it's gonna be coming from your tomatoes. And this is local, Ontario. And then you've got different kinds of barbecue sauces,
Yep.
wing sauces. The other thing I really love too is flavored olive oils.
Okay.
Muskoka's really cool too because number
these
one,
are
again,
cool.
it's local and they've got some really
Like
cool.
you can actually, like you see how much
Yes.
like garlic is actually in
Yep.
here?
And then this one too is like a sun-dried tomato and garlic.
Oh yeah.
It's great.
But oil gives you fat, so you're measuring
Measuring. I measure all my food.
all your food.
Yes, I measure all my food.
Even the protein, everything.
Everything gets weighed.
You've got some tools.
Yes.
So if you're gonna do this,
Yeah.
you've got to do it right. You have to have your scale.
Yep.
You have to have
Yep.
your measuring cups.
Exactly.
You have to have your containers.
Yep. For me, as a professional bodybuilder, is all about gaining muscle.
And to gain muscle,
You need to prioritize protein. We're gonna do ground beef and chicken.
Okay.
This is my go-to.
Yep.
Literally just put a ton of it on.
yeah, man.
And then it's gonna go in here.
And that's just going in your bacon.
This, same thing. I just use this, my
I
ground
love
beef.
how you cook. You just cook like
easy.
Easy.
We're gonna get into veg. Vegetables are, for the most part, are always kind of a free thing, so that's not a problem.
that true?
Yeah, produce is really important. And you could put anything in here that you wanted.
Yeah,
you know?
you're not counting, you're not weighing,
No.
you're just making a good sized meal.
Exactly. All my chicken, I'll make like a little salad. So I will chop up my chicken. We're gonna do 5 ounces of chicken in there.
Love it. Oh, you get some chicken. Oh,
5
yeah.
ounces is
5
actually,
ounces is a good thing.
it is good.
It's almost the whole thing it's
Yeah,
gonna be.
It is. It's like almost a big breast. A little bit of salt.
Yep.
Cook a little bit of rice, and then, but these also are fantastic.
These are amazing.
These are amazing.
Microwave, 2 minutes.
Yeah. Don't be afraid of rice. Don't be afraid of potatoes.
Potato.
It's your portion size is the most important thing. 100 grams.
Yeah, it's not as much as I would
It's not
think.
as much as people think.
I know.
But it's not as little as you might think either.
True,
Do
true,
you know
true.
what I mean?
Yeah, true.
So there's your 100 grams.
Yep.
So that's gonna go in here.
You're getting every frickin'
Everything.
every rice
That last
kernel.
thing is going into my mouth.
I love you. It's so funny.
Everything should be weighed out cooked. I do 5 ounces of protein in every meal. I also like to put some peppers in here.
Sure.
This meal,
Yes.
I'm allowed olive oil, so I'll just take the Vince's own olive oil.
Yep.
Teaspoon.
A teaspoon gives you how many
1 teaspoon, 80 calories.
calories?
See? So this is my meal.
I was thinking that it would have been less food.
Right, it's not.
It's not less food.
Not if you only can eat 3 meals a day, that's fine. You just want to make sure it has the amount of calories that you need
Yes.
to reach your goal. If you do fall off, just get back on. This is all we have.
Yeah,
Our
totally.
bodies are all we have.
Totally.
You can take everything away. This is not going anywhere. So be happy with what you are in.
Yeah. I've been inspired today.
Woohoo!
I hope you have too at home. Thanks, Lise.
Thank you.
Great job.
Thanks.
Thanks so much.
Thanks.
Appreciate it. See you next time.
See ya.